Starting off your Red Alliance team, 33-37.
That's the Pantherobots of Dow Chemical Company, JCPenney, and Woodlawn High School from Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Their partners, longtime veterans of Lone Star Regional, 12-55.
Largo Fish, JCPenney, ExxonMobil, and Goose Creek CISD from Baytown, Texas.
Finishing up the Red Alliance, 27-37.
The Wizards, Texas High School Project Fund of the Community Foundation of Texas, and Yes Prep Public Schools of Houston, Texas, the Wizards.
For the Blue Alliance, week 1 this year, they won the Alamo Regional out in San Antonio, team 231.
High Voltage, the Boeing Company, Oceaneering Space Systems, Lyondell Basel, JCPenney, and Pasadena ISD from Pasadena, Texas.
Team 2582.
Pantherbots, JCPenney, Lufkin Industries, Angelina Community College, To The Max Stereos Accessories, Texas Paint and Body, and Lufkin High School from Lufkin, Texas.
And you'll always be able to spot this team around team 3103.
Ironclad, NASA, ARC Specialties, Houston Endowment, and Dushan Academy from Houston, Texas.
Here we go, drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
15 seconds of hybrid motion. I hear something speeding up for the Blue Alliance. 3 shots. 3 misses so far. Whoa, that one's got a chance, and it makes it for the Blue Alliance. 2 shots and a make for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance holding steady now with 1 second remaining. Here comes the teleoperated period lasting 2 minutes. Teleoperated period 2 minutes with a final 30 seconds free for all. 25-82 and 231 for the Blue Alliance right in front of me. 27-37, a shot from the Wizards from outside, but a miss. Now 12-55, all lined up. Let's see what they can do. It's 33-37. The Pantherobots from Baton Rouge take a shot. Pantherobots, Largo Fish, and the Wizards for the Red Alliance. For the Blue Alliance, though, lots of shots coming in. NASA Jacobs, that's Ironclad, 31-03 with a shot right there at the end. 231, High Voltage from Pasadena, big shot and a bit outside. 25-32, trying to pick up a ball now with 70 seconds remaining. 70 seconds remaining in qualifying match number 2. Live time scoring, giving the advantage to the Blue Alliance, 18-3 now with 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining in qualifying match number 2. Teams starting to hold steady as a shot and a miss from outside for the Blue Alliance. Human players looking to add balls back onto the field. 18 balls total in each match. And another score for High Voltage. Look at the Blue Alliance trying to get up on this ramp and get it balanced. Just a bit far forward. They're backing up now. 25-82 doing the bulk of the work. And the Blue Alliance looks to have 2 robots balanced. Let's see if they can hold it for 20 seconds. The cooperation bridge there in the second, that's 231. Matched up with the Red Alliances, 33-37 with 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining for a possible big bonus here on the cooperation bridge. Oh, 2, 1. And just barely misses it. Match number 2. Let's see if the real-time scoring holds up. Taking the victory, the Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance with 42 points.